National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, south-central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Clayton County in north-central Georgia, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over East Point, or near Atlanta, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Decatur, City of South Fulton, East Point, Forest Park, Riverdale, College Park, Chamblee, Clarkston, Hapeville, Avondale Estates, Lake City, Pine Lake, Belvedere Park, North Decatur, North Atlanta, Hartsfield-Jackson Airport, North Druid Hills, Midtown and Grand Park Zoo Atlanta. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.